Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website you can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free earning website, and let's get started. Okay guys, this is the website. This website name is Faucet Alpha. You can claim daily earn $5 from this website. And this much user, this much USDT pay, this much withdraw taken, and this much days this website are available in the network. And this is the all cryptocurrency this website pay, and this is the all withdraw proof from this website. A lot of people making withdrawal. First of all, click register. You can register yourself very easy from here. Just put your email, username, and your password and confirm password. You can easily make an account. I have already account. Just I click login to show you how you can start earning from this website. Okay, this is the website. You can start earning from this website. This is the all things the website pay you instantly to your Faucet Pay. Right now Express Crypto is not available. I don't know why. Just first of all confirm your email. Just click in recent. This will be shared with you an email so you can confirm your email. The first way earning is a manual faucet. You can just click manual faucet. 10 tokens every 5 minutes you can claim. Just solve this little capture. First of all, just this 1 3 7. Just solve the recapture. After solving the recapture, just click your reward. You can collecting your reward. This website pay you to your balance. The next way is the short links. You can visit the short links. You can easily make this much tokens from the short links. Just visit the all short links. The next way is a PTC hats. Right now is a 2 PTC hats available because this is not long time ago website. Maybe this will be have a much more. The lottery ticket, you can buy a lottery ticket and 23 hours. After 23 hours you can be a lucky person to earn that much tokens. And this is the lot of people making their amount from this website, just buying tokens. The next way is a task. You can complete the task. You can see this is all things about the task. You can making a video and publish in YouTube. You can earn this much tokens. And this is all thing about this website, but the minimum withdrawal amount is 100 tokens. Okay, 100 tokens you can easily withdraw to any cryptocurrency you want. The minimum withdrawal is 100 tokens. You just earn 100 tokens and you can easily make withdrawal from this website. And this website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself and start earning from this website. And you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and bye bye for now.